Oh, tingnan nyo yung breakfast namin. Kape at saka bread with milk cheese. Ayan. Ito ang kakainin namin ng kasama ko. Yummy, yummy. Right, Elsie? Yummy, yummy. Show inside. What inside? Look, it's a milk cheese. Yan, diba? Milk cheese. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Ito yung pagkain namin. Masarap maikape. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Cheese sa loob niya. Ayan. Ayan. Yummy, yummy, guys. Yummy, yummy ang kape namin.